we will compute the limit as x approaches -4 of the function g of x over x squared. To compute this limit, we're going to use the quotient law, which tells us that we can take the limit of our numerator over the limit of our denominator. Okay, and then now the next step, because we know the limit as x approaches -4 of g of x is 1, we have 1 in our numerator. And in our denominator, we can just evaluate our function at -4. So we have the limit as x approaches -4 of the function x squared is going to be -4 squared, which gives us a final answer of 1 over 16. Here we're going to compute the following limit. The limit as x approaches -4 of the function f of x plus 3 times the function g of x minus 5. So we'll do multiple laws. We'll use the product law to break it up. So this gives us the limit of the first function as x approaches -4 of f of x plus 3 times the limit as x approaches -4 of 2g of x minus 5. Now the sum and difference law tells us that we can break up the first limit over the addition sign, and the difference law tells us we can break it up over subtraction, and the constant multiple law tells us we can bring this 2 on the outside. So what we'll have is the limit as x approaches -4 of f of x plus the limit as x approaches -4 of 3 times 2 times the limit as x approaches -4 of g of x plus the limit as x approaches -4 of -5. Now we're going to go ahead and compute our limits for each portion. The limit as x approaches -4 of f of x is 3. So we get 3 plus the limit as x approaches -4 of the constant function 3 is just 3. So here we'll get plus 3 times 2. The limit as x approaches -4 of g of x is 1. So 2 times 1 plus, and the limit as x approaches -4 of the constant function -5 is -5. So that's actually going to be minus 5. This gives us the final answer of 6 times -3. So we get -18 as our final.